Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some of the basic formatting tools and types of formatting that you can do in Excel. Several times we need to modify data and represent it in a very comprehensive way in Excel. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the basic tools that we can use to display tables and charts and how do we format it. So when you open a new sheet of Excel, you get this window. Not this one, but a blank sheet. So these are the tools that are available right now when you open the file. So I'm going to show you firstly how did I do this one. So it's nothing, it's very simple. This is basically I have used merge and center. Merge and center is basically used to merge cells. These are the cells in Excel, and if you want to merge these cells, you simply drag and select these cells and press merge and center. There's it. So all the cells are merged, and what I would type here now, like, hi guys, this is Excel. Okay, so whatever you type here, it comes in as one cell. You can center this, you can increase the size, font size from here. You can change the font type, like whichever you like, whichever is your favorite. My favorite is this one. Then you can change the background color from this, that's fill color. You can choose any color from here. You can also change the color of the text that you have written from this. So let's keep this one. Okay, so this is how you use merge and center. You can also use this which is called the border. The border is basically used to draw lines across the cells, or in case of tables, if you want to darken the borders, you click all borders and see there's a table formed for you. Similarly for this, if you want to make a thick border, there's the option of thick box border. So this is basically used to represent in very fashion style and very attractive. Next up, you can also change the column widths if we want, because many a times when we type very long words like formatting this file, okay, and you hit enter, you see it goes outside the cell. So this can be prevented by either enlarging the breadth of the cell, or by using wrap text. Firstly, you can increase the width by simply dragging the cell in which you have typed, or what you can do is simply click on this, right click, and go to column width, and you can type the width that you want, and yeah, it will increase the width accordingly. Or what you can do is simply go to this wrap text. Wrap text is nothing but it wraps the complete text in one cell. So there's it, or whatever the size is, it wraps the text in one cell, and you can see it, but it doesn't look very good in this. You can simply increase the size from here. Similarly for rows, if you want to increase the width of this row, simply click on this, right click, click on row height, and you can change the row height as and when required. And if you want to format the complete page, click on this corner button, so the complete sheet gets selected, and then you can right click on the upper column, go on column width, and when you press 15, the width of all the columns will be changed at the same time. And when you click here, row height, you type 20, so the height of all the rows are changed at the same time. So this is very fast and very fertile. So this is how you change the widths. Similarly, these are the options for text. When you enter text here, you can left align, center align. Then for numbers, say you type 20, you type 1142, Okay, so if you want to change this number to percentage, you simply click on this. It changes it to percentage. So 20, it changes to 2000%. It basically assumes it to be in decimal form. So if you write 0.2 and you click here, it changes it to 20%. Or what you can do is right click on the cell, go to format cell. Window will pop up. Yeah, so here's the window. From here, category, you can change it to percentage. So it will show you the sample, the number of decimal places you want, and press OK. So it will change it to percentage. You can decrease the decimal places by going to this place, decrease decimal. So as many decimals you want, you can increase or decrease it from here. So after this, let me show you how do we freeze panes. Like you want this column and this row to be freezed when you have a long list of data. So how do you do this? So here I have an example. So these are the serial numbers and these are some functions ABCD that I have typed here, and I want this first row and first column to freeze. So what I do is I go to view. First you have to take care that you have positioned your cursor or the active cell at the place between the first two cells to be freezed. So after this you go to view. Here you see there's freeze panes. Click on it and click on freeze pane. So you see that the lines have darkened. That means these panes are freeze now, and when you move down the cursor, you see that the first row is freeze, and similarly if you move right, you see that the first column is freezed. So this is how you freeze panes. If you want to unfreeze it, simply go to freeze panes again and click on unfreeze panes. So it again unfreezes. So next, moving to conditional formatting. So these are the types of formatting now. When you click on conditional formatting, you see there are many options like highlight, cell, rules, and inside that you have greater than, less than, between. So these are the options available. So I have a set of data here. I select these, I go to conditional formatting and I click on say greater than. So I write format cells. There's an option format cell that are greater than. So there's 8 already here. So let me type say 6. Okay, and format it with what color, light red, fill, or what you want. So I will say green and click OK. So I see here that all the numbers which are greater than 6 are in green and the others are not in color. So this is actually used to represent data where you want to find out numbers exceeding a certain value, or revenues increased or decreasing. So you use conditional formatting. There are various options available here, equal to, text that contains. Similarly, you have bottom up rule, top 10 items. It will, if you want it red, so these are the options. You want it yellow, I want it yellow, so okay, so it will highlight all the top 10 items as yellow. Similarly, you have other options like data bars, color scales. Let me show you one example of say data bar gradient. It will show the gradient of the according to the value of cell. Say for 13 it will show a larger bar, for 4 it will show a smaller bar, so accordingly. So this is basically used to represent data in a very effective way. This is format as table is used to make a table. Like if you want to make this particular thing as table, click on format as table and you see the options available here under this. So you can click on any one of this. It will ask you where is the table and you have to select this place whichever you want to make as table. It will ask for my table has header, and yes, I will say it has header, and I'll press on OK. So you see that my this area is converted to table. So this is how I convert. Similarly, there are other options like auto sum, fill, clear. I won't be able to explain all of them. Let me explain the last one, that is sort and filter. So here you have the option of sorting smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So accordingly it will sort it according to to smallest to largest. There's a problem here because I have used a random function, but it will work if you have simple numbers like 5, 3, 4, 8, 10. Okay, and if you want to sort it, I click on smallest to largest and it will do it accordingly. So this was a video for basically the basic formatting tools that we use in Excel. Hope you like it, and happy learning.